Hi everyone, my name is Samat Anuarbek. I'm first year data science student at SDU University and I'm doing my industrial beta career in the institutional research division. Over the last couple of weeks, my work really started to feel more dynamic. One of the highlights was taking part in an educational methodology council. It brought together directors from different departments and members of our faculty to talk about academic plans and updates. For me, it was exciting just to be there and listen because you get to see how decisions are made and how different departments share their perspectives. It's one thing to read about university management, but it's really different to see it in the same room and watch it happen in real time. Outside of meeting, most of my days were focused on building dashboards and analysis-based report for internal reports. I work a lot with graduates student data, organizing it and creating different types of visualizations, line chart, class chart, column chart, and combinations that let you see several indicators at once. For example, we set visuals for track academic performance, the number of students across different schools and different directions graduates take after finishing their studies. All of this needed to look clear and professional to what directors and staff can use it easily during their discussions. One of the biggest challenges for me during this period was working with open text comments from surveys. There were a lot of them, and each one was written in a different style, which made it tricky to sort them by sentiment, whether they were positive, neutral, or negative. To handle this, I used simple machine learning pipeline to generate a sentiment score for each comment, and then I went through, double checked the result myself, looking at the character counts and the score to make sure they match the meaning. It was time consuming, but it really improved my quality of the analysis. This stage this stage of my internship has been interesting because it connects my data science background with real projects that actually at my work. Instead of practicing with sample dataset, I'm working with live information and helping to shape materials that people will actually use when making decisions. It's challenging, but also really motivating to see my work becoming part of something bigger.